So what are a few reasons your HVAC website might get penalized or go down in ranking or just not perform well? I'm going to give you a few. One, I'm going to call it apathy. It's a basic website stuck up there. It's a very poor user experience. You get a few reviews. It's just not good enough to show people it's not well-rounded. The second one is spam. You go hardcore, but it's all cheating and trash. Nobody wants to read that either. It kind of is the Goldilocks deal here. You want it to be just right. Guys, you need to know what the modern algorithm updates are. Things like data pins help with it, but you've got to have it dialed in. By God, it's worth it to be in the big show. You want to figure this out. We can help you with it.